Hey everyone, this is Faraz for now WhatsAppKaro. So in this video, we'll talk about software features. Basically, one of the feature which is bulk broadcasting. How exactly you have to do the bulk broadcasting message to your WhatsApp subscribers. So let's say guys, let's take an example. Let's say you have thousands of data, okay, and you want to send them WhatsApp messages. How you need to import the data into WhatsAppKaro. That's what I am going to show you today. So let's get in. First, you need to log in WhatsAppKaro. Once you have logged in, you need to go to Subscriber Manager and click on WhatsApp Subscriber. So guys, already I have imported a lot of subscribers. So how you need to do the same? It's pretty simple. You have to click on manage, and first you have to create a label. What is label? Guys, let's say you have leads of you know different industries. Let's say you have 100 leads of real estate guys, 100 healthcare. Okay, based on that you can create a label. For example, now I'm going to create a label called as test leads. Let's say it's a test leads, dummy leads. Okay, then I'm gonna save it. It has been created, label has been created. Then I will come back, I will click again. Then I'm going to click on options and I get many options over here. You can manually create an individual subscriber, or else let's say you want to import thousands of data, then you can click on import subscriber. Okay, once you import over here you will get the option to select the label. You can leave as it is. The step is not mandatory, but to segregate you need to have a label. I would recommend you. So as of now, we will select the label as test leads. Then before uploading, I'm going to download the sample, how exactly we need to create a sheet. Then we'll upload it in such a way that they have recommended us to do. So let us see this. So we have to have a list in this format, which is this format. What we will do in simple, we'll copy this, go back, create a new sheet. How you will create a new sheet? Sheet dot new. Okay. Once it's done, I'm gonna paste it directly. Okay. Doesn't matter, guys, in what way you guys have the data. You need to create in this particular format, which I am showing you. Now, let's create. First, you need to put the country code, then you can put the number. Okay. I'm going to put some dummy numbers. Okay. Then I will name them as test lead 1, then test lead 2, then test lead 3. So once it's done, guys, let me repeat, it should be in this particular format. Country code and the number. You can add as many as fields such as website. Make sure you're not typing in the caps letter. And as well, you can add their email as well if you want to personalize it more. But as of now, I'm going to keep a simple, which is phone number and name. And I'm going to put this as test, not test. Let's put is dummy leads. Once it's done, guys, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on file, then download in the form of CSV. Simple. Clear? Once it's done, I'm going back over here and I'm going to click on upload. And I'm going to upload this, which we have downloaded now. And I'm going to open it. Once it's done, we got this. Guys, doesn't matter whether you put thousands of data here, you can view only two. The starting two can be viewed from here. Now you have to map the data. What is mapping of data? It's nothing but we gave the data to the software, but we need to tell the software what exactly is our data. For that, it is called mapping of data. Just click on map data and file header. If the header, let me clear you. If the header is phone number, then its data field will be phone number. Okay. Again, click on map data. If the header is name, it should be subscriber's name. And if you have given more fields, according to that, you have to map the data. Clear? Once it's done, guys, let's click on confirm. And all our three data is uploaded. So now how we can segregate that? It's very simple, guys. You just need to click on label and test leads and you get all the data. See all the three data. Now what I can do to this data is I can broadcast message. What is mean by broadcast? Broadcast is nothing but like sending all of them bulk messaging at once, or else you can do single messaging one by one. Let's say I want to send a message to this particular person. I can click on send flow or message templates. Click on message template. I can choose any of the template which I want to send. This is manual way. If you want to send everyone at once or you want to schedule the messages, you can do that. Let's say I want to send him. Just click on send and the message has been sent. Can you see? I have personalized the person's name. Done. So once it's done, it means you have clearly imported the data. And in the next video, we'll talk about custom fields, what exactly custom fields are. Everything we'll talk about this in the next video. I will just show you if you want to do the bulk broadcasting to that particular three reads, how you can do. Just click on broadcasting and select WhatsApp broadcasting. Because guys, now whatever we are doing, it's all about only WhatsApp. All the other things as of now, ignore it, because in the upcoming videos, I will talk about Facebook as well as Instagram bots and all. As of now, this is what. So guys, first let me show you the results of some of the campaigns which I had run yesterday or day before yesterday. So I had sent almost 419 people and it got delivered, which is 50% delivered. And we got open rate of almost 33%. Guys, it will increase slowly. But the reason why it got failed, many people got failed, is because Meta does this wantedly. In the upcoming videos, I will show you why does Meta fails the message. I will show you that. As of now, I will show you how we can send bulk broadcasting to the imported subscribers. So you need to press on create. So once it's done, you need to click on broadcasting. So now you get the campaign name, which again will put us test dummy leads. Now it's telling that 24 hours anytime. So what is the difference between this? 24 hours means, guys, as I spoke in the earlier videos, that we get a open window of 24 hours once we speak to the customer. So as of now, it's like the new data which we had imported from here. So basically, we are sending this data first time and they are outside of this 24 hours. So we are going to not click on 24 hours, we are going to click on any times. And we are going to select any of the template. Let's say this is the template and book a demo. We are going to select, we'll keep this. Okay. This is nothing but custom fields, which we're going to talk about in the next video. And label IDs, now we'll select test leads. Based on the label ID, we'll get the subscribers. For example, guys, let me select another one. I'll get the different subscribers. That is the reason I told you to have a label, so you will have proper segregation. So as of now, we'll select test leads, and so you have two timings, whether you can send that messages immediately or you can schedule it based on the timing. You can schedule it. As of now, I want to send it immediately, so I will click this and I will save this. And I have done this. Guys, I can add many more options, many more automation I can do. As of now, I will keep this very simple. Then I will just click on save and I will come back. And let me show you guys. So it started sending the messages. So we'll refresh it. So it will take some time, guys, and it will get started and it will start sending the template which we have selected to the selected subscribers. So it started. As well as, guys, in the broadcasting, in the upcoming video, I am going to show you what is broadcasting and what are the more things we can add in the broadcasting, like delayed messages and all. We can do lot of things. Okay. So it's sent to everyone. Okay. So this is how you can do the bulk broadcasting, guys. As you can see the previous reports, here we got 65% delivered, 50% open rate, 35% unreached. Guys, this unreached is nothing but, let me clear you first of all, it's not from our side or our software. If the message get failed, there are only two reasons. One, whether the number is not available in the WhatsApp. The second thing is the Meta doesn't want this person to get a message. I'm going to explain this why it happens in the upcoming videos. As of now, our main agenda was how to import bulk contacts in WhatsAppKaro in a very simple way. See you guys in the next video.